Welcome to Mozart Music, the platform where we react to music full of cover. We always break down the melody and get the message behind the song. Give positive feedback, inspire others. Basically, we post non-toxic Zion content. What is up, bro? Hey, Sila, Zalwani. We are here. We are here. We are here. Wow, crazy. As I am currently recording this, Bazalwan, I am sitting on 491 subscribers. Like, literally. 9 subscribers away from 500. It's wow, it's crazy to even think about it, you know. And jobbing Shilo, guys, I'm giving away 20 Rand worth of airtime. It's simple. All you have to do, subscribe to this YouTube channel, go to this video and comment done with your TikTok or your Instagram handle, and then one lucky person will stand a chance to win 20 Rand worth of airtime. It's also my way of giving back, of showing my appreciation. It's just my way of giving back and showing my appreciation, because at the end of the day, without you guys, this channel wouldn't be where it is today. Now, I understand. So big up to you too, guys. So let video things we react to it will appear here on the corner, alright? So it's True Worshippers Church of God, Agasbalila Makala. Bruh, I don't know what to expect. But what I can tell you is that true worshippers, they know how to worship. Through all the past videos that I have listened to, unfortunately, there was one video that I uploaded and I could miss sound. How? I don't even know. No, I didn't turn on the microphone sound, so Bazalani be good better. So yo, without wasting you guys' time, let's dive right into it. Do bro, like I'm so sorry for that. Like, bigger if it's bad, bro. Yeah, I understand. But man, if we wish I face bad to rear back, but you know, I love and put to do you hear the way alto is singing, bro? It's like alto is split into two groups, bro. Kunabat. Hey, listen to it, bro. Properly listen. I think let's just yeah, she's a very oh my god, bro, the way they break down Agasba Lely. Ama, and then Lavati Ama, I think they drag it, and then I'll try and get enough food, but it's Ama. So, Babati Ama, Bazoze, Bapefmule, Baba figure when the second page, a Altomangan is oti Amatala. That's where they, yo, hey, an exaggeration, man. Who can outsay? than that, ne, bro, the way Itena is also carrying it is beautiful. Because there's a good Itena right now iculela pants. Bese kuba i-bass, kube i-alto, bro. Like that section. Yeah, it's bass. And then Itena is just low. Like low. Like, ah. I also I've been singing this song. And when true worshippers listen to any song that they ever decide to sing, bro, they will show you what it means to worship. They will make you feel that yeah, we're talking about God. If you I mean any song, because I don't know how they do that, but they always never seem to to forget what they do, which is become worshippers. Because listen to where I chorus, use I own one. Listen to the song choice, bro. It's worship song like Akasibalela Macala. To my Indian viewers, this means he does not count our sins. He does not count our wrongs. He does not focus on our wrongs. Every day is a new day. Start on a new page. Think about that for a second, bro. And I listen to true worshippers, I really love your guys' jacket. Niche is beautiful, man. Remember the words that I keep saying. And Ngashongati, I think it's going to be my slogan. When you eliminate jealousy and competition, you get the best abilities of everybody. You will get the best abilities of everyone. This is what we're talking about, bro. Now, key things that I've picked up. Them key things that I've picked up, bro. They're interchanging between alto being twice. That's fantastic. No, for real, that is amazing. One. Secondly, the chemistry ekhona, bro. Angibonanga umuntu oshaya i-first part, but Rebecca ngimbonile and ngimzwile, and hey, she's not backing down. Yo, like, yo. Sfuto was amazing. The way Itena was just singing low the entire time was this, can also go unnoticed. The way Itena beculela phansi ngakhona, it can also go unnoticed, bro. Because it was just here. Ayikhuphukanga for no reason. Ihlale la. Boy, and nakhona the thing is it kept yale alto ne, because beyincane, you had to attentively listen uzozwa itena right there in the middle, right there in the middle, and it's a small mara itena ilapha yangena itla. You understand? That was impressive. That was beautiful to listen to. You understand? Then the basic being the mediator semaphakathini kayonke lento leyo. That's crazy, bro. And I keep saying though, ngalesikhathi abaphelelanga labantu, mhlawumbe baphelele, I don't know. Mara into engayisho ukuthi, bro, true worshippers never ever forget to worship, bro. Listen to any video ekhona. Even go to my your page and look at my reaction number two worshippers, bro. They know what they're doing. Are you kidding me, man? So yo, in the favorite of who Mr. Shupita, I'm signing out. Adios.